Good afternoon, my name is Sosse Klarenbeek and today I will present our qualitative study in which we identified barriers and facilitators for implementation of a computerized clinical decision support system in lung cancer multidisciplinary team meetings. Multidisciplinary team meetings are standard of care in oncology clinical practice. These meetings often do not achieve their full potential due to several challenges summarized in this slide. In response to these challenges, oncological computerized clinical decision support systems are currently being developed to facilitate MDTM workflows. This study was part of a research project involving the development of an oncological CDS for the use case lung cancer. This study aimed to identify barriers and facilitators for successful implementation and to provide actionable findings for an implementation strategy. A multi-center qualitative study was conducted, guided by the Consolidated Framework for Implementation Research. Participants included healthcare professionals involved in lung cancer care. Data was collected using semi-structured individual interviews guided by the interview protocol. The interview protocol contained open-ended questions that focused on topics A to D. The transcripts of the interviews were analyzed using thematic analysis following a deductive approach and were coded with use of Atlas TI software. In total, 26 professionals participated in this qualitative assessment. 46% were female, 54% were aged 41 to 60 years, and 92% worked at academic hospitals. The CDS was perceived as a helpful information tool at the service of clinicians in order to achieve the full potential of MDTMs. Main facilitators for implementation were considered to be easy access to well-structured patient data and the resulting reduction of MDTM preparation time and duration of MDTMs. Main barriers for adoption included potentially incomplete or non-trustworthy outputs generated by the system and insufficient adaptability of the system to local and contextual needs. To overcome barriers for implementation, suggested was to perform a usability test involving key users and to validate the system in the organization's real-life setting prior to rollout. Using the CDS in lung cancer MDTMs was expected to increase efficiency of workflows. Successful implementation was seen as dependent on the reliability and adaptability of the CDS and involvement of key users in the implementation. I would like to thank everyone who collaborated in this study, and I would like to thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me.